In this video, I'll show you how to change your booking dates in Agoda. So here we are in Agoda, we're using the browser version, and what we're going to do is just click on this drop down. Then you want to click on My Trips. Now note that I have no trips here, but it will look similar to this. And you'll see there's an edit booking section, and then you will be able to click on change dates. Now, do keep in mind, some listings do not allow you to change the date. And in order to attempt to get Agoda to do that for you, what you will want to do is you will want to go to the Help Center, which is if you scroll all the way down, you'll see it here under Help. So here in the Help Center, what I would advise you do is go over to Cancellation. Then it'll ask you to select your booking. And what I would suggest is you just click on My question is general, and then you'll see show more options. Click on that, and then you can click on chat with us. Guys, I hope that helps you with your booking. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.